Hi everyone, there's something really different today that I make by request, and a lot of people have asked me how to make the wallet by using the zipper. And so I'm gonna share with you how I have made the small one in the past. I'll show you this one I make for coin for change, and this one it's very simple. I cut in 28 inches zipper one color, and the first fold I use it 3 inches, but I'll go there when I make the big one, and then you know what I'm talking about. The side it's all up to you. So this is the one that I make in the past, and so this one I'm using two different colors. You can use one if you want to. I cut it in here that 36 inches, and it 1 inch wide zipper. So you wanna this one I got it from Amazon, and I'll share the link for you if you wanna buy it cheap online. And so for this I'm using two different colors, the red one and the white one. So you wanna use one color, feel free to do it. I'm gonna break in half like that. So you can make two, the other half for the other pouch. This one is good for you to hold like the lipstick or some mascara or little thing, and put on your keychain. Alright, so now you go on to place the zipper two together. You're going to make sure that the teeth facing into like the normal zipper. I can't even talk. About a quarter of an inch on the teeth side. And then I cut the teeth off. This is easy to cut. So cut this off. So now you can see one side that's longer than the other side. You're going to slide this. That's very easy. The round area that facing into the zipper. Okay, if you want, you can use just one. Okay, I'm gonna slide it in, and then when it comes to here, I'm gonna go and slide on this side. Okay, pull it down, and I slide this side in. So then I have the side here to help me hold it when I pull this down. Very simple. See, everyone can do. Now I'm gonna cut this off. From now on, do that. Cut on the teeth side. So you have this fabric right here to pull. Very easy. Alright, so now I have cut in here. So I cut the fabric here an inch and a half, and I fold the two ends a quarter of an inch, just like so. And I place it on the zipper, and I make sure that it's fit the zipper side that with its 1 inch, and then fold it again. And then I place it on top, so with that way that you don't have to flip flap and everything, just fold it and then add it in there, the end of the zipper. So now after you clip it, you're gonna sew that on the zipper. After I sew in this, so you're gonna mark 6 inches. It depends on how you like your wallet to be. If you want a 6 inches, then you mark 6 inch. If you want, I'm gonna do 6 inches from here. Go on to sew this by folding this down where we mark 6 inches down this way. Clip it down. That's where we're going to sew. When we sew, we can pull the zipper pull away. Now we're going to sew this white one all the way down to here where the top, and then I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you very detailed. Then you go into the other end. Remember, going to the other end here. This is the teeth. We're going to round this up. You can cut this extra away after Not now. So then you can sew it down. This is to get you ready when you go into sew. You don't have, to worry about this thing. It hanging around, and then you have to do that again. So let's just sew this together. When you sew this down, you know what I'm talking about when you get here. Little work right now, but less work after. Remember my tutorial, I do video and I want you to do it without any problem. I don't want the people confused. So that's why I take my time to show you. Okay, so going like this, the teeth is like going that way, and then you're going to find the other side. You're doing exactly the same. The teeth pulling this way. You can pull in this way if you want. You can pull any way you want. This way, if you like it, you do it. And now you're going to sew this. I don't have the white dress ready, so sew this together like I just showed you on the other side, and then we're going to start going. I'm gonna start sewing from the 6 inches that we marked earlier, and I'm going to place the white one together, and we're going to sew from here to here before the tap. Let's just do that. I'm using this just a regular sewing presser foot. Okay, so going right in here. When it's down, and hold on to it, and then you can straighten everything else. That is that. Hold that together, and we're going to sew down to this one. This is very detailed. Now I'm going to put the two sides together and start sewing right at the top. I have the needle hold on to that zipper while I'm turning this around. So I want to make sure that side it line up with the zipper tab right there, and I sew very slowly. You take your time, everyone. Go right there, the needle, hold on to the zipper while I'm turning this around again. Then when I turn this around, the red and the white, it's going to connect together like that. Make sure you're taking your time. Now, the red and the white have to be even on the top when you sew this together. You sewed it all the way. Feel free to move the zipper slider away to make it easy for you to sew. Now you can see the end. This is what I'm talking about. You sew the end ready, so when it gets to this point, you don't need to stop and fold it. Now you're gonna connect the red one right next to the white one, and you sew. Now at this time you're gonna make sure the rest of the red that's staying together forward like that. So now I finished with this pouch. So you're going to take the right side out. So stuck this inside. And then you're going to pull the zipper. Just keep pulling and it form the pouch for you. If you want to use any kind of zipper, you can too, but I'll show you how I make another one for the wallet. It's very pretty using one side, one colors. Okay, continue to pull. And when you get into here, it's gonna go around it and it form into the rectangle shape. Isn't that so cute? Using this pull so I can carry this around. I'm using the white one. I got that online. It's very useful when you use some zipper and it's short like this. So this is an extra for you to hold on to it. It's very cute. You can put that in your wallet or you can carry this along with you. And here I have makeup, that little thing that I need. So you can put it in just like so. Now that is that, everyone. This is after. It's gonna be 5.5 inch because the round area and everything. So 2.5. So cute, adorable. Look at that. I love it. Okay, we'll share with you the big one. With the bigger pouch, I use 80 inches. The zipper pull, I already showed you how to do it, but I'll show you again. You're gonna open this zipper. Cut this. Remember, cut the teeth off. Don't cut the fabric. The fabric for you to pull. So now add the slider, just like how I show you. Put it. I don't want to use different colors. So go like this. Same old thing I show you. Pull it down a little bit. 1/2 inch, just like we did. Hold this too. I hold the top right here. As you can see, I hold the top, the fabric on the top, and now I slide it. There you go. You're done. Just like that. And then you add the tab like I showed you from the beginning. You cut the fabric estimate about 1.5 inches wide and then 2 inches long. And then you go on to place on the zipper like this. And you fold it on one side. It can be any side of fabric. This is for you to know exactly the side that you can cut this tab for the beginner. And it's like this. That's it, the wide side. And then the long side, you're gonna fold it in half. And then from the half, you're gonna fold it in half again. Fold this in half. To sew this. This is how I do. Now after I sewed it in here, the tab, and I want to make it longer wallet, so I'm gonna go in 7 inches down to here. That's 7 inches. It depends on how you want it, longer or shorter. it right here, that's 7 inches. And now we're going to repeat the same thing that I show you. Okay, when I go in the sewing machine, you know that this tail on the left, the one that we didn't mark, just put on the side. And now you're going to do this again, tap this, so at the end you can see that how we did. We have less work to do, so curl this up and sew this just like I show you. And then on this side you're going to do exactly the same. So on this side you're going to do exactly the same. You can hold it like this and then you bend this down this way. So now I finished everyone with this one. When we started, it kind of stuck inside, so like this. It's nice and square. Okay, and then you're gonna go so like this, and then you start going so that right here, that's the length. Let me tell you, it's like 4.25 inches, and the length is 5.5 inches. The orange thing, the full, you can just slide it in. Check in my description box if you want to buy this zipper and this too. Super cheap, and you can make a lot more. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This little one right here I make with the 28 inches, and you can put change in here. And this one for your makeup or for whatever you want to make is 4. And this one is big. You can make more for gift if you like. And I just want to say thank you for the people who always support my channel and always come and watch my video to the end. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.